Okay, so my washer and dryer hookups are going here now. And if you also saw in my last video, where I was cleaning and organizing a lot of my garage, well, I was trying to get this side freed up. On this side, I need to completely clear that wall so the plumbers can come in and do their thing. These shelves and workbench I dismantled were funny because the dude must have had 20 pilot holes to find his first stud. Then he drew all over the wall to guess at the others. He also had only a few strategic screws, but the rest of his work was done all in nails, which were kind of fun to bang out, I guess. The other side of this wall is currently a utility room of sorts. But since that space already has a full bathroom, a closet, and a window, we're going to make it a third bedroom. I was telling the plumber I do not want to be in charge of water in walls. We will leave that to the professionals. He said sometimes clients just leave all their shelves and dishes and things in the way, and they have to clear it themselves. Don't be that person. When I was cleaning the kitchen cabinets, I found proof of exploded foods. And in here, there were spills of all kinds as well. Poor old dude probably wasn't able and didn't have help. Sad. He had many piles of old cleaners, polishes, and oils that I need to dispose of. This garage has very obviously been neglected for years. Please, Lord, just use this home and my Homemakery for your glory. Please help me to be a good steward of what you have given. And please continue to provide as you see fit. Guide me on what projects need to be done first, and temper me if they don't have to happen at all. Amen. See you next time.